Hola amigos, today we're going to be making tofu al chipotle. We're going to start off by pressing the liquid out of firm or extra firm tofu, and you can use fresh right out of the package or frozen and defrosted, but you just need to press the liquid, as much liquid as possible, out. And then you're going to heat up your oil in a pan, and you're going to saute the tofu that you've cut into thick cutlets. You're going to season it with salt, onion powder, garlic powder, some paprika, and some ground black pepper. While that's going, we're going to make the salsa, and it's going to be water with almonds that have been soaked and a garlic clove, and you're just going to process that, blend it until it's a nice, like completely broken down. Depending on your blender, you may need to do it longer or shorter, and then you're going to add some tomato, some white onion, some chipotles and adobo sauce, and for the seasoning, I just added salt and some bouillon powder. Now, once the cutlets are nice and browned, crispy on one side, you're going to flip them over and then season them again. And then you're going to remove those so we can get the salsa cooked. I should mention that the recipe that I'm going to give you, the salsa, makes enough for 2 packs of tofu, but this day I only wanted to cook the 4 cutlets because another day I used the extra sauce for like spaghetti to serve with spaghetti and my tofu. And then you're going to add the cutlets back into the salsa and just going to let it simmer until the tofu starts absorbing all those delicious smoky spicy flavors, about 10 minutes or so. And then you're ready to serve. You can serve with some rice and veggies on the side. You can serve it on its own. You can serve it in pasta. The full recipe's in the description and the recipe card on my blog.